bit of olive oil to this, just to coat it. Next, we're going in with some seasoning. We're gonna go with my go-to. We're gonna do chicken seasoning, complete seasoning. What else? And just Creole adobo. Garlic powder, onion powder. Where's my garlic salt at? I'm gonna use all the seasoning. Plus, we'll probably do taco seasonings as well. Alright, let's go. First, we're gonna do a little bit of garlic salt. Just a little bit because I'm gonna hit it with adobo. Next, we're gonna go in with the complete seasoning. Next, we're gonna get it with some chicken flavor. Next, we're gonna go in with just a little bit of Tony's. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And we're going to do onion and herb. Garlic and herb, Mrs. Dash. And some black pepper. Don't worry, y'all. This is not over seasoning. This is perfect. Oh, you know what else we need for color? We need paprika. Paprika for color, okay? Now I'm gonna get a black Slaw. Now we're gonna mix. Now just mixing. Mix. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and I added ground cumin and chili powder to this. And I am going to fry it in about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of butter and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I do a mix because it creates a very nice crispy edge on the chicken.
Actually, this is how you use the tray stick. So you place it, and you go like this, and you go like this secret item, and you put it in, and you put whatever item you want. So I'm going to put this in, and you come down, and you trade me like this. You trade me, and then my finger will come.
Yeah, I'm gonna spread my chicken on like this and pat it down. Because if you watch my video before this is my trick to getting a crispy skin on your chicken. You pat it down like this, and you get it in there like that. And you let that cook on that side like that for about 5 minutes, okay? Before you go touching it, flipping it, anything, okay? And I got my burner on 6. So it's not on high. It goes high, then 8, then 7, and I got it on 6. So like a medium high. And this will create a nice char on the chicken. And I mean, that's how I like my chicken, so that's how I'm doing it. But you can do it any way you like. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells amazing. I already have tacos from yesterday, so I still have leftovers. So today I'm doing chicken fajitas, and we're gonna have tacos, regular beef tacos. So we're gonna have both today. It's gonna be a little Fiesta Friday up in the Price family house. Fiesta Friday. Alright, y'all, while that cooks, I am going to bring y'all right over here. And I bought a pack of peppers, already done, but I'm going to chop them up a little bit thinner. Just the more the merrier, you know.
I have so much stuff.
Usually I would just throw this in there, but
can you just decline all that?
we're going to make them thinner today.
Like one of these petware.
Just to make more going. Like that, you know? Some pieces are pretty thick they have in here.
Why would you put the Phoenix in there?
I'm already back to.
I don't have any.
That's pretty good. I'm going to take the skin off too. I don't know why they did that. Whoever did this did peel the skin off.
What else do you have to this?
Well, guys, I was trying to make it thinner, but
Let me add two.
there we go.
Let's see, what do we have? I'm gonna have a fat bee, like a fat pig, and this.
There we go.
Let me see. That would have been really good on mine.
Yeah, we're just going through, and you can also buy your own peppers. Alright, you guys, but like I said, y'all could do that or buy your own peppers and cut them however you prefer. I just got pepper juice all over my glasses. Nah, honey. Alright, guys, let's get back over here. Anaya, please, babe. Okay, guys, you see the chicken? I can smell that it's got that char on it. Oh, I can already smell it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it looks good. You see that char? Yeah, look at that. That's why I do that. Almost done. It's not quite. I like mine a little bit darker. Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that for just a couple more minutes. But I'm gonna show you when I flip. You can smell it charred up. You know what I mean? Go ahead and put, oh yes, black. Yes. Yes, look at that. That is what I'm talking about. It's alright, you'll get that black off. I'm gonna turn the heat down. Don't worry about the pan turning black. I'm gonna turn the fan off so y'all can hear me. But don't worry about the pan turning black, because y'all are gonna get that off when you add water here later. We're gonna add a little bit of water to it. But yeah, look at that chicken, y'all. Bomb. Bomb. That is what the fajitas should look like, okay? Look at that. Look at that chart. That looks good. Y'all, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more butter. Give it a turn. Notice how when you turn the heat down and add butter, that blackness comes off the bottom of the pan, so don't worry about it. Pan won't be wrong. I'm telling you, you're gonna love the flavor. Look at that. Damn, that looks good. Wait till you get the peppers in there. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. And after this cooks, we're going to take this out and then we're going to cook the peppers. Actually, I could just throw some of the peppers in with this, but there's so much chicken, there's like no room. As y'all can see, my chicken fajitas are cooking up nice. Now see, in the perfect world, you have a big pan to where you can throw your peppers in with your chicken. But my pans are small, okay? You gotta work with what you got. And right now, I got my peppers over here in this pan, and I got my chicken here. Now they're gonna come together soon, but I can't cook them together because I don't have enough room. I need to buy a bigger pan, so sorry. But for right now, this is work, okay? Look at that chicken. Bomb. Alright, this is what my peppers is looking like. This is what my chicken looks like. Alright, y'all, I'm about to make a coleslaw that goes over top. Oh. Go ahead, awesome. Good job. Yeah, hold on, bud. Y'all, usually I put the mayo in a separate bowl, and then I mix it and the honey and the apple cider vinegar together and the salt and the pepper, but I forgot because I haven't made it so long, and I just threw the mayo in there. So we're just going to throw it all in the coleslaw like this, okay? And hope for the best. So I'm going to go ahead and add my honey. And I'm going to add my salt and my pepper. There's my pepper. Now I gotta add my salt. If I can find it. Jeez Louise. I'm so unprepared for this. Alright, salt. And we're gonna do a dash of apple cider vinegar. Not too much, just enough tang. Now we're gonna start giving a nice stir, okay? Now remember, you were supposed to put all the liquid ingredients in a separate bowl and then dump it into your coleslaw, but I got too much going on, so I did it wrong. Y'all, I'm also frying the shell in the oil from the peppers. So I know I'm doing the most over here, but I promise it's good. So got that going. I'll give it a flip here soon. I got it. Just the olive oil, and I use the extra light olive oil so you can't taste it. Will you see it bubbling up? Yeah, it's about to be done. We're going to flip it. Ooh, yeah, look at that. It's going to be so good. Y'all, it's going to be so good. Let me get a plate. after this is done, I'm gonna demonstrate y'all a nice fajita. Oh yeah, look at that. Damn. Yeah, that's bomb. That's good. That's done. All right. Gotta throw another one in there. But yeah, now we come over here. Now we're gonna move this out the way. I'm gonna grab some of this. Put your fajita over here, okay? Put your fajita up in there. Get you a nice pepper and whatnot like that, like so. Check that out. Yeah, that's nice. Nice fajita, okay? Go ahead, pack that. Look at that. Picture worthy. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna set y'all right here, and then we're gonna put my little secret special sauce on it, okay? This is what tops it. Yeah, you could have a plain fajita, but why not have one like this? Yeah, this is the one that everybody's gonna be like, damn, who made this? Yeah, check that out. Hot, and that is how you make a chicken fajita. I mean, it is hot, y'all. But yeah, enjoy. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like and subscribe. That is my video. Bye.
This was nice. Oh, did you already got the credit to Microsoft account? Credit to did it twice. Look at that. To Ron.
Delicious. Y'all. Look.
Look at that. It said on there twice.
Chris shell.
I see it on there.